Did you know that acid reflux can cause a chronic cough? They say 25% of chronic coughs can be caused by acid reflux. So what kind of points you in the direction of acid reflux causing the cough? Cough is worse at night or after a meal. Coughing that occurs while you're lying down. Another is if you're not on any medications that would cause a cough, or you're not a smoker. How about if your chest x-ray is clear and there's no infection, or you don't have asthma? Those are other reasons that you might have to think it's acid reflux. So how do we find out if the cough is acid related? Sometimes if you don't have alarm signs like you're not losing weight, food's not getting stuck in your throat, we may just start you on a medication such as a PPI, a proton pump inhibitor, which decreases the amount of acid you make. So you may have heard of these: Prilosec, Omeprazole, Nexium. You try those. If after 6 to 8 weeks on the medication your symptoms have completely resolved, kind of makes you think that it's probably acid reflux. If you're still having symptoms after 6 to 8 weeks of being on the medication, please see your doctor, as you may need further testing.